What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Just a quick video to go over a alternative to Apple's very pricey Apple Pen or Apple Pencil. This one is Penoval Pencil, and this is compatible with all iPads, 2018 releases and later. So if you have bought your iPad within 2018 and later, then this is going to work for you. And basically, this is just a normal looking pencil. Okay, it's got a very, very fine tip, and it actually has an alternative tip if you even want to get finer. There you go. That's what it looks like. Tiny little guy. Okay, make sure that stays sealed and you don't lose it. This charges, unfortunately, through micro USB, but you know, it's a quick charge. It's got a little power button here and an LED indicating that it is active, and again, a very, very nice fine tip, which again you can change out. So basically, this is going to allow you to get a little more precision note taking on your iPad. So if I want to sit here and try to write same out, I'm going to write Penoval Pencil Demo. My hand writing sucks anyway. There you go. So I don't know if you can see that. That's what I wrote. Okay, this is not Bluetooth paired or anything like that. This simply is active here. Now if I turn this off, it's not gonna do anything. See that? It did nothing. Doesn't act as a stylus, doesn't do anything. You have to have it on and it'll work. And then it gives you a little more precision, and again, it's a cheaper alternative from the Apple Pencil by quite a lot. So I do think this is going to give me a little more testing. I will rock it a little more and try to use the iPad as more of a note taker. Now, one thing that I have gotten to be doing with this is if I go into a room and do a presentation, instead of using an actual like whiteboard and then, you know, using one of these guys on a whiteboard, I plug in the iPad to the screen and use a whiteboard app on here, and I whiteboard it to a screen this is like, you know, projecting to or mirroring to or whatever, and I find that is much better than trying to whiteboard with these nice little smelly erasers and nice pens or whatever. These things suck. They really do. So this will give me a little more precision than when I'm drawing out whiteboard stuff. So I think this is actually going to be something that I throw in my bag. It's obviously like a pen, not going to add much weight or any kind of substance there for space. So definitely a win. And again, if you're interested in them, I will have a link in the show notes for Penoval, I don't know, Penoval Pencil. Compatible again with all iPads 2018 releases and later. And again, here's the box. Pixel precision. Using advanced technology, the pencil can accurately locate each pixel and work like an Apple Pencil. Palm rejection, so obviously it works. You can use the pencil. Like I said, I had my palm resting on here. I had no problems whatsoever. And tap the screen to make a quick note. Tap your iPad display with the pencil to open the note app and collect your daily, or I don't know, your ideas easily. And again, just, you know, a simple solution that works really well on the iPads 2018 and later. Gotta like it. I will be doing a best accessories for the iPad Pro line here pretty soon. This might make it, so stay tuned. Definitely have some cool stuff lined up for a video coming up that are just like great iPad accessories that you just can't live without. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so the only way you're going to find that is if you subscribe and like this video. Yeah, subscribe. Hit that little bell to be notified when that video publishes, because you're going to want to see some of the cool stuff coming in that video. You know, I'm going to say, you just don't want to miss it. All right, and as always, guys, thanks for watching and have a good one.